আসসালামু আলাইকুম হুজুর। আসসালামু আলাইকুম হুজুর। আসসালামু আলাইকুম হুজুর।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। রইস আলী, হাউ আর ইউ?
হুজুর, thank you, I am fine. And you, হুজুর? Are you in good health?
Alhamdulillah. So tell me, what brings you and your nephew here meet this morning?
Huzur, I took him to the school to get him enrolled, but the captain refused him.
Rois Ali, how could you take him to that school? Your father was such a great alim, and you take your nephew to those pagans? No, 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 no. No, I can't believe it, Rois Ali, I can't believe it.
Huzur, I am sorry. It was my mistake. Yes. But now, you are our only hope. Only you can make Kashem a great person, a good alim.
Get on with the lesson. Well, since you have been so persistent, Rois Ali, I can refuse you. If you go on.
Thank you, Huzur. Go.
Go. Go and sit there.
Thank you, Huzur. Thank you. You are so kind. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Yakfirullahu lana wa lakum. Oh.